So to start off, we're looking at the chromatic scale. That means all of this. So white keys on a piano, and these are the black keys. The way you do that, switch to it, is press scales and press this button down here. All of these other ones are different scales, but I only use this one because it's similar to the piano. Now synth 1 I have set to a bass. Synth 2 I have set to a lead sound. And then I have a very simple drum beat that I made. This is the kick drum, this is the snare, close hi-hat, open hi-hat. So now what we're going to do is we're going to describe how to create what I'll just call it a note palette. It's just a way to store notes in and be able to perform them. So I'll show you what this means. Pretty much what you want to do first is press mixer and make sure that synth 2, the lead, is turned off. What this is going to do is make each step on here, it's going to make it not play when it's going through. So if there was this saying notes here, you can't hear it. If you press mixer, there's the notes. Okay, so let's just disable it. So every time I press this, it's playing the note. So what you can do is, let's just start with a simple bass line. I just press record. And there's your little quick bass line. Now we just have to figure out notes that'll go along with it. So just play around on the keyboard. So maybe let's pick a couple of these. So I want this one to be this to be that. So I'll just do 4 of those. And then over here, why not just let's put in some chords, which you can do. So hold that down and then press a chord. So I didn't like that chord, so what I did was, check this out. I didn't like that chord, so I just press the notes again, they disappear, and then just press the ones you do on it. You can just do it by ear. Take your time. It's not, there's no rush. So what you do from here, we can play. Now I have other patterns here just to illustrate. I programmed other chords in, each pattern is different. So I put little, leads over here, or single notes, and then over here are the chords. That's just the way I set it up. You can set it up any way that you want. So pretty much, let's just, next we're going to just do a performance. It's nothing fancy, but just so you can get an idea of the workflow if you want to try this out. It's kind of cool. You can have a lot of fun with it. So let's just start.